Introduce features interest of KSAN outdoor HD 4K projector screen with stand 150-inch, portable 3D fast folding double-sided giant projector projection screen. We are try to present different content and helpful for people who want to buy something from the internet. It is difficult, especially those who buy products on the internet for the first time. Then you will get the product that really your needs. Why you choose KSAN outdoor HD 4K projector screen with stand 150-inch. The link in YouTube description below are some reasons why you should choose. Most importantly, honest reviews from people who have already bought it and review rating. And because we are affiliated with Amazon.com, which if considered from the reliability, you will KSAN outdoor HD 4K projector screen with stand 150-inch get acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews. If you want to get highlight features and full review of KSAN outdoor HD 4K projector screen with stand 150-inch, portable 3D fast folding double-sided giant projector projection screen, please visit the link in YouTube description.